what can I do for you today?
Yeah, I'm having sporadic internet issues where like the speed will just drop off, the internet will cut out, and then it'll come on, and then just horrible upload speeds that are just anywhere, like it'll be like 0.2 gigabyte or megabytes per second upload, and then it'll just sporadically start working, like where I'm getting, you know, 4 and 5 megabytes, and then it'll just go back down. I'm just really confused by the you know, why such the disparity in connection speeds and the regularity of those disparities.
Okay.
Awesome, thank you.
Alright. Yeah. Enjoy your holiday.
Alright, you do the same. Thank you. Bye-bye. A technician is going to have to come out.
Mom,
What's up, dude? How may I help you?
I finished my nouns.
Okay.
Awesome. So now we have a flea market booth, and it is a mad rush for the next couple of days to try to get it done and set up by the weekend so we can start trying to move some of these items. This is a prime example of us having to roll with the punches. We originally did not plan to move anything today, but we had shipments that were supposed to come in today, and they did not. You got one though, right?
Yeah, but we had a big box of phones that were supposed to come in today that they did not. They were delayed in Memphis, but it sucked because we've got over half of the phones sold already, but we need to be able to get the final piece count to send the guy an invoice so he can pay, but that didn't happen.
It's a frustrating part of this time of year. Lots and lots of packages, lots and lots of opportunities for packages to get delayed, to get lost, to get left behind. So anyway, long story short, in order for us to maintain productivity, we had to move some things around. So here we are, getting ready to set up this flea market booth. Let's do it. We're here.
Dude, I forgot all about this stuff.
What is it?
A Nintendo 3DS.
Oh, sweet.
And I forgot, remember that drone that we had found? Then I flew it, but that was it.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
I know, right? That's
We should try it out later.
I know. I think it still works. It's got a camera on it too. Probably the quality's not all that good, but yeah, forgot all about this.
That's exciting.
I know. Sweet. Then we got this little drawing pad. It's a little graphics tablet. You hook it up to a. It's got a USB. You hook it up to a computer. You can draw designs on it and stuff.
That's neat.
Yeah. Forgot all about some of this stuff. Costumes. There's another drawing pad.
See, that stuff we could put on eBay. We could list that stuff.
It's an LED light box. Drawing thing. Thing can go in there to draw.
Yeah.
Here I go. It's like everything.
You like to give the kids everything.
I do. That's sweet. I'm going to have to try that drone out. Heck yeah. I've been wanting a drone too. Alright. Jessica! Dude! What are you doing?
Nothing? Alright, so it's just a bunch of like moving stuff out so we can move stuff in. We're thinking that we have this little shelf here that we think would work really well. And then we have a couple of taller wire shelves like these. So I think we're gonna bring those in, see how they look, see how they fit, see if we can get that kind of to all work together. And then Joe's clearing off another wire shelf as well. So hopefully we'll have enough space to put stuff. We've got most of this stuff out of the storage unit, all of those bins. If you don't remember, we had bins like stacked way up high of stuff. So now they're all here, almost all here. Joe's finishing up getting the last of it, and now we go through the task of figuring out which of this stuff is going to go into the flea market booth and what's going to stay, and basically what we're going to do with it. So this is very much like a total experimental thing. We really don't know what we're going to do with all of this, or if it'll sell, or if this will even be a successful endeavor, but I've got high hopes. The lady that was super experienced in, like, you know, knowing, oh, Christmas stocking. That'll sell this time of year. She was super experienced and stuff, and so I'm thinking, she said they're kind of a girly store, so I'm pulling all the stuff that I think is going to sell, looking for seasonal stuff, things that I feel like women will really like, some of the girlier stuff. Just start there. One of my favorite things about reselling is all the stuff. Galaxy S8 cases. I'm going to take the phone cases. I'm going to take a risk and try to sell those there, because we have so many, and everybody's always looking for phone cases. Now, when we had the bin sale, everybody was always looking through it. I'm gonna try this too. This is it's flag. It's the United States Coast Guard flag. Anybody know what that is? I don't know. All right, so that's it for the first. That's it for the first bin. So I'm gonna keep going through this stuff, y'all.